Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom, with a really fun Thanksgiving idea for you for a centerpiece or even individual place cards. It's these darling little yellow squash geese. They're super whimsical and easy to make. As you can see, this is a crook neck yellow squash. It's not as crook as I would like. Those make even better geese if you can find one. But the stem becomes his beak. You press little peppercorns in this case, or whole cloves, in for the eyes, and I'll show you how to cut the wings and get him to stand up. And a little trio of these would be cute in the center of the table. A little one at each person's place would be cute. So here's what you do. You start with this simple yellow squash. You cut off the bottom, but you don't want him standing perfectly straight. You want him angled just a little bit. Not so much that he completely tips over though. So see, that one still tips. We'll cut a little more off, make it a little straighter. There, now that one stands up. So what I do is I either press fresh cloves, which have their own little stick, or I just use a little nail. You can use anything. You could use a paper clip. And I make two little holes on either side for the eyes, and I press in fresh whole peppercorns, like so, to make the little eyes. You really could use a lot of things, but this is an easy one, like so. Where's my little nail hole? There we go. Then to cut the wings, you just take a knife and cut just a little section off each side. Make them match if you can, roughly, not perfectly, but just about. And then what you do is just angle them. You break off or break in half a toothpick so it holds it where you want it. Very easy. My toothpicks all have cellophane ruffles for some reason. You don't need that. And then see this one, we'll take him off too, and we'll press that in. And now you have a cute little goose to join his friend over here, and they can visit about what they're thankful for this Thanksgiving. Probably that they're not being eaten. So anyway, what a fun thing, and kids love it too. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, be sure to visit my website, jonihilton.com. Buy my books, read my humor blog. We'll see you next time.